The Australian Hair and Scalp Clinic really does provide the solution you're seeking for hair regrowth, and we have a success rate of 99.9%. Our natural treatment achieves hair regrowth through herbal follicular activation and offers the fastest results available in Australia with no major side effects reported since 1993. Treating both male and female pattern hair loss, as well as patchy hair loss, our herbal products provide optimum nutrition to affected hair germ cells. They also effectively control production of the 5A reductase enzyme at the follicle. So what can you expect at your first visit to the Australian Hair and Scalp Clinic? This initial assessment is with a certified trichologist who will let you know if treatment is required and what exactly is causing your hair loss. Finally, they'll let you know if treatment is available for your condition, saving you time, energy and money spent on trying products that simply aren't suitable. Give us a call on 1-800-001-101 to arrange a consultation and begin your journey back to a fuller head of hair.